Happy Saturday. Yes, yes, yes. Back in the kitchen. Yes, I've been in the kitchen, but little odds and ends. But through the struggles, we're still on the kidney transplant journey. Um, it's a lot still testing going on, and we still trying to still get on the list. And anyway, I'm trying to stay positive through this whole process because it really works your nerve. So for the last week or two, I've been having bronchitis, which I thought it was a regular cold, but it ended up being bronchitis. So I couldn't get rid of it. So I ended up getting 2 steroid shots. So I feel much better now. I'm on the road to healing. So now it's time to cook. So even though I was cooking in barely because I hated eating food, at any rate, here I am in the kitchen. So I made some chicken breasts, and when I make the chicken breasts, I put them after I cook them in my air fryer. I put them in here, and I mix them up with a lot of different seasoning and garlic powder. And then I use, for one, I use some Korean barbecue to stir inside. And once I chop it up, I make a meal. So then I use my, of course, jasmine rice. Jasmine rice with my chicken that I cut up. So in one meal. And then I make some mixed vegetables. It's got potatoes, broccoli, and everything. And then we have some chicken, so protein and vegetables. And then I made my Alfredo, but this time I used carnation milk. Make it a little more creamier. But it was using the coconut milk and different other milk, so that was good. So chicken Alfredo, and I use my Barilla noodles for that. And I also use the regular like macaroni noodles. So it's like 2 different types of noodles, but 2 of those chicken Alfredo. Then I made some barbecue chicken with some garlic green beans. So about 2 meals a day. Hey, we staying positive. We're on the road to bigger and better things. Have a good day.